Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filters on the Mercedes E-Class Cabriolet. I'm going to change my filters. There's two, actually two. It's a pretty simple process. Not that simple. Well, yeah, it is kind of simple. Well, you'll see. So on the Mercedes, you have the engine cover. As you can see here, it's a two-part cover. As you can see, there are two air intake ports. Therefore, there are two filters, one on each side, that are under that air cover. As we flip it upside down, that's the only way we can get access to them. So you have to start off by removing this cover here first. Remove your tubes, remove the back cover, which also has a clip in the back door holding it behind that hose. That clip right there. So you gotta somehow pry it off that clip, remove it, turn it upside down, take out the two old air filters and replace them with the new ones. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So here's the engine cover off the car, and right in here are the two filters, and there are four torque screws. Four torque screws on each side that need to be removed in order to have access to the filters. So we'll go ahead and get our Torx screwdriver and unscrew them, and I'll show you the filters. So here is the, I don't know, FRAM filter, I guess it is. I don't know what it is. It's just, look at it, it's horrible. I really don't like it. I think it's cheap. It looks dirty. It is dirty. And I'm going to replace it with this guy. And good quality. Doesn't, see, it's not, it's solid. Doesn't bend like the other one. It's really well made. The membranes are good. I mean, it looks solid. It's not flimsy like this guy. You can't even hold it straight. I mean, it's bending all over the place. Just garbage. So we got the first cover off with these four torque screws, and then we'll go ahead and place our filter in its position where it belongs as such, and then we will go ahead and screw this guy right back into position right there. That's it. That's all it takes. And then we'll do that side. Alright, we'll pull out right here. Oh, the sun is out. I just love it when the sun is out. We're going to go ahead and open her up. the windows. Just gorgeous day. I love summer. Well, there you have it, everyone. Another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And guess what? I'll see you guys soon.